Here's the app called LunaMate AI Fantasy Roleplay. Talk to AI character, virtual friend conversation, discover a wide range of unique personalities, engage in thrilling conversations with live voice calls. All that was awakened. Stay connected to your AI any place, anytime. LunaMate experience AI conversations like never before. Step into the world of LunaMate, innovative chat app designed to connect you with intelligent AI characters for engaging, supportive, and meaningful exchanges. Diverse AI companions, conversations that matter, tailored for you, cultural variety, flexible chat history, customizable avatars, call support. So yeah, one of those new AI chatting apps which you can just try and. Then you can just see instantly here, lifetime $80, yearly 7. So then you can just see messages, you can see chats, you can see which ones you liked. And this minimalistic app, not that many reviews, but it's probably not the top AI chatting app, but you can just try as an alternative.